Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making groundnut soup. So in my blender I'm going to be adding groundnut, uziza seed, onions and a bit of dry fish. I'm going to blend this to a paste. In my pot I'm going to add my protein. You can use any protein of your choice, but this is what I'm using. You are going to add pepper, onions, salt and seasoning cube. You're going to allow this to cook for a while. You go in with your water, then you go in with your dry fish. Use any dry fish you like. Go in with your stock fish. Please add this yellow pepper. This yellow pepper gives it a better and nicer taste. Now go in with more dry fish, cover up and allow that to cook. In a little plate I'm going to put in my ogiri. Okay, go in with your ogiri into your meat and cook a bit. Add crayfish. Make sure you turn it and allow that to incorporate. Okay, go in with your red oil, add more crayfish to this, and afterwards you put your isam. This isam gave it another beautiful color and taste. Go in with more dry fish if you have. If you don't have, that's fine. Okay, make sure this incorporates well. After this has boiled or is boiling, you put in the groundnut, the blended groundnuts. Okay, stir to combine everything together. Going with more yellow pepper, as much as you can contain anyway. So put in more seasoning, adjust and cover this up to cook properly. Okay, groundnut soup is done when you see the oil floating on top of the soup, just like so. This is a little but hold on while we add in our vegetables. Now here's the banga. The banga is using freshly squeezed bitter leaf. That is what I did. I went to my garden and I picked some bitter leaf and I put it in. It gave it a very sweet taste, very sweet and nice taste. And here's the result of this soup. Oh my god, it was like Joyful Cook would say, nose blinding. The taste was out of this world. Come on guys, give this a try and come back and thank me later. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, do well to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys later. Bye.